Shannon, thanks for coming and talking and telling us about your experience with the heart chakra rebuild. Because we did that for you, and you had quite an amazing response.
Right. I mean, thank you so much. I feel just tons lighter, tons happier. I mean, it just made a huge difference in my life. And I mean, I was even thinking of negative situations or exes, and I didn't even have a reaction. And I feel so much lighter and brighter.
So you tested your own heart reaction by forcing yourself to think about things that were previously upsetting.
Yes.
And this was for a broken heart, an emotionally broken heart, that we did the repair and the rebuild. Yeah. And then did it last?
Yeah, it actually lasted, I mean, ever since. I mean, once you did it, then every other time that I was doing something, or if I was strategizing or using my intuition, I felt clearer, I felt lighter. It just has really made a difference in my life.
So you really could notice the change.
Absolutely.
And then you sent me a few texts, and I wonder if you'd be willing to share the very last text you sent. That was 11 days after we did the chakra rebuild.
Sure. I was telling you about, I had been involved in a serious injury accident with fractured my back, and I had to go through our negotiations, and it's been 5 years, and during that whole, it's been a very emotional time for me because it's been so long and I've been injured, but I was able to sit through the negotiations, talk to my attorney, and not get so emotional, and that made a huge difference. And it's also made a huge difference for me as a lawyer myself, because then I can take a step back and I can just strategize, and I can look at things without feeling so drained.
So we had effects that we couldn't even expect,
right?
Because they're the direct effects of feeling lighter, brighter, more whole that you reported. I thought that was a really nice one when you said you felt more whole. But then in addition, it's affected how you're interacting, how you're able to work, your concentration levels, your ability to maintain perspective.
Right. Yeah. And it's interesting because I do so much meditation. I do 2 hours of meditation every day, and I felt like I wasn't getting the benefits all the time of what I was doing because, of course, it wasn't going back up to my third eye and to my crown and to my throat. And then once it was repaired, it was really cool because I could finally speak my truth. All the things that I've been doing, I just came to just all of a sudden, oh yeah, it started aligning, and that was really what made a difference.
And there was something else that we picked up on, and that was that all the hard work that you'd put in to your recovery was able to come together with this rebuild.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. Like I was saying, the meditations that I've been doing, my own crystal practice, all the rituals that I've been doing, it has spilled out into my friendships, into my relationships. I'm definitely more cognizant of other people whereas before it was kind of spacey and felt very heavy. Yes. Very heavy all the time. I was very tired a lot too.
Wow. That's great. I think it worked.
Yeah, I think so too.